Welcome to Go Masala, where we create Indian and Pakistani recipes. Today I am making vegetable biryani. Some people call this vegetable pulao. I learned the basic of this biryani from my mom and my sister-in-law while I was growing up. Over the years, I experimented this biryani recipe by using various ways and vegetables. In order to make this, first I caramelized 3 small onions. Then I gathered all my vegetables, which are for dry spices, I use 1 teaspoon. And salt according to your taste. Pour the oil in a pot on medium-low heat. Then I added whole garam masala, stir for few seconds. Next, I add ginger garlic paste, stir for few seconds. Then I add tomatoes with a splash of water, cover the lid and cook it until the tomato becomes softened. Then I add caramelized onion with a splash of water, let it cook for a few minutes. I mix my dry spices in a yogurt and add it in a pot with a splash of water, cover the lid and let it cook until it's become like a gravy mix. Then I added all my vegetable, let it cook for a few minutes and turn off the heat. Now it's time to prepare your rice. I boil the water by adding cilantro, mint, green peppers, whole garam masala, salt according to your taste. When the water starts boiling, I add the rice. I used 2 cups of rice which I already soaked for 30 minutes. You can soak your rice according to your package and let it boil until it's 75 to 80% cooked and then drain all the water. In a pot, I layer my rice with my vegetable and gravy. Then pour the rest of the rice. And sprinkle with some cilantro, mint, green pepper and food color. Close the lid and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes on a very low heat. It's also called dum pe lagana in Urdu and Hindi. After 10 minutes, I open the lid and check my rice and mix them a little bit and close the lid again and let it cook for the rest of the 10 minutes. You can serve this recipe with raita, cucumber or salad, anything of your choice. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy making this recipe as much as my family do. Please comment, like, subscribe to Go Masala.